You don't want to lose your cards, your driver's license and debit card and crap.
Yeah. So, we're finally up a little bit more. We went into Arby's and had a decent meal. What did you think of that value box?
I thought it was pretty decent. One like that? Yeah.
So I didn't know. Mom told me apparently that like she went to she actually went bowling by herself.
I did. Yes, I did. I had a great time. I played 2 whole games, and it was a lot of fun.
You did? Oh. You should go this way real quick.
Where?
Up through this
Plaza?
where that truck is going.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know where it's going to. But
It's behind, but I don't know how often you go behind here.
I've never been behind.
Really? Are you sure?
I've never. Except for I think the one time when they were rerouting and that.
Look at that.
What?
There's a little path there,
Yeah. What about it?
and me and Courtney, we were, this was a while back, but me and Courtney went behind there, and
in the woods.
they had hot tubs
Where?
in that woods there, little patch of woods. Yeah, it was
Are
funny.
you serious?
Yeah, it did. They had little, they had hot tubs and stuff. Obviously from when there was a pool thing there. But it was funny. We tried to make it seem more mysterious. But it was weird.
That would really be weird for sure.
They have a basketball hoop right there. Right behind one of the stores. I haven't been around that plaza in a while.
Look, Elaine Street.
Oh yeah.
That's what it says. Elaine Street. They named a name. What? What?
I want to go straight this way. I haven't done to this in a while. No, just my body isn't adjusting right yet to the 12 hours.
Now, where does this get off?
You'll see. You'll see where it goes.
Oh, back out to the Broadhead.
I feel bad because I haven't done a video yet for him. I said I was going to, and
Who?
the catering guy, the one over here.
Yeah.
Those are the only 2 I forgot about.
Oh, that catering that, I know which one you're talking about.
The 2 factory
Well,
guys.
what the hell is that? I have no clue. And that's Broadhead, right?
Yeah, Broadhead's right there.
Okay, are we going there or what?
Yeah,
Alright. Because I don't know where that is.
that just leads down. Yeah, that guy right there.
Oh, that catering service.
It isn't. You can actually sit down and eat in there too.
Yeah. 2 chefs catering count.
I mean, I hope there's stuff. It's so hard nowadays to tell what's open and what's not.
Yeah.
And they changed the signs, so it's like that